Beehiiv versus Substack. So guys, basically I've created multiple tutorials for both Beehiiv as well as Substack in the past, and in today's review we are going to compare both tools side by side to finally answer the question which tool is better for your newsletter, blog and so on. I will leave you links to both tools down below. By using them you can support me for completely free. Either way, let's quickly get started with Beehiiv. Now, Beehiiv essentially primarily focuses on growth for audience and management for creators, and they basically focus on creating good newsletters. So for example, they are going to have a lot of different features to back that off. They are going to give you guys custom websites, custom newsletters, campaign analytics, unlimited email sends. You can then actually also access their paid plans to get additional help with setting up referral programs. You can then actually also charge money for your newsletter. You can get access to their exclusive ad network and so on. So all in all, Beehiiv essentially is just a great way of actually build and grow and monetize your newsletter, because they are going to give you quite a lot of great in-house options to actually make money off your newsletter. On the other hand, Substack is kind of more a place for you to post your email, your blog and so on. And this is actually primarily being used by journalists, writers, for example, which doesn't necessarily has to be a bad thing. I think Substack actually is really simple, pretty straightforward when setting it up. However, you aren't going to get as much features than on Beehiiv essentially. On Beehiiv, even for the launch plan, you are going to get unlimited email sends. You're basically going to get custom domains and essentially for $0, quite a no-brainer in my opinion. However, on Substack, you can actually right away charge for your newsletter blog, and you don't have to go for a paid plan like on Beehiiv. This is definitely one of the upsides on Substack. However, also this comes with a twist. Actually, if you want to set up, let me actually show you this. If you do want to go paid, you are going to have to actually pay Substack 10% of your overall earnings, which is going to sum up even if you only have 10, 20, 30 paid subscribers. On Beehiiv, on the other hand, you will just have to go for the scale plan. You will have to pay $39 per month, and you are then going to have access to premium subscriptions, and you don't have to actually pay Beehiiv a percentage. So Beehiiv essentially also is super user friendly. I, for example, also made a tutorial about how to set up your newsletter on Beehiiv, which you can watch down below. Same for Substack. I will leave you both tutorials down below. Now, when it comes to the pricing, although Substack is primarily free, you are actually going to get more features on the Beehiiv free plan than on Substack altogether, in my opinion. So really, in my opinion, Beehiiv is the way to go when it comes to creating a blog, creating newsletters, monetizing, growing your newsletters, and so on. Nonetheless, I will leave you links to both tools down below to actually try out on your own.